What do you get when you don't delegate? You get overwhelmed and lack of growth. But if you do, you'll be surprised. You get a day that's more organized. Does delegating seem daunting to you? You either want to do it yourself because it needs to be done right, or you don't want to give someone another thing on their very heavy plate, or you just don't have the time to train someone, so you just get it done yourself. Well, let's lay that thinking to rest. Let's do this right. If someone else can do it 70% as good as you can do it, it's time to delegate that. This is going to help increase the trust on your team. It's going to help increase their confidence. It's going to help them feel empowered, and it's going to help them feel recognized and valued. Just remember that when you give them clear instructions, you have to make sure that the communication actually happened. You're not communicating at them, but literally it landed, the message landed. So ask them what they understood that you said, because sometimes we're not as clear as we think we are. So what do you get when you delegate right? You get a team that's loyal and inspired. You get the extra time you need for strategy, clarity, and speed. So start delegating now, indeed. Let us know if you need any help with that.